This video is about my entire source tour over the play A Dollhouse. It is a solo analysis that explores symbolism and the ideals, society's ideals of marriage during the European era in the 19th century. The first place that I went to for my sources was through the CCUA ERC Center using this method. And I scroll down here to find the Gale literature criticism. And after several searches, I used this method and found an article. Okay, it was this article. This article analyzes A Doll's House along with a second play, and it gives various perspectives of it. For my next one, I also went through the ERC. But I picked all of the 25 databases right here. I apologize, sometimes it takes a while to load. Excuse me, I've been sick. I apologize. The first method, I used several to try to find information. The first one was to help me look for information on the how society was in the Victorian era, or how it was for women. Oh, I forgot to, pardon me. I use full text, peer reviewed, and natural language search. I forgot to check that. And this article here, it compares the era that Nora was in to the era of a Korean woman. It's a really detailed era, and it talks about feminist ideals and stuff like that. The next way that I also used ERC to find another database. or finding something else on the database to use. Hope I'm spelling that right. Oops. There was a few articles, but I am particularly like this one. Whoops. This one explores feminism, and there we go. It also, it alludes to certain parts in the play, and it looks at things more from the female perspective and gives you kind of an idea of what symbolism and kind of what their life was like during that era. My next source was from Literary Theory and Criticism. This source explores Nora's side of things and that era, but it also explores her husband's side and the society norms for that area and how um, a human perspective on it. So it gives you an idea of both perspectives. And this is from Miss Bell. It is the script that I will be using to write my paper. And that is all of the sources that I have currently. I apologize for my earlier post. This is more in depth, so it should so that it details more so how I went about finding my things to use to cite. Thank you.